Hello everyone, today I've got the Ross 600 EL. This is a 6-lever safe lock. Tensions from the middle, as you can see how it works. Sweet. And there's your key bitting. Right, so what I've knocked up, this is my first idea. It's just a bit of scrap metal. That's the tension in the middle, and that is me picking wire. So let's give it a shot now. Right. Get the tension on. Tension on. Picking wire. So let's go in. Hopefully this fits.
Imagine in every day you have the chance to help save lives.
Lever number 1.
Recruiting health advice to take 999 and 111 calls in our emergency operations centres in Newcastle and Hebburn. You'll get comprehensive training and access to company benefits on joining. So if you're caring, compassionate and can cope with stressful situations, text ambulance to 60777.
Just get over into the back 3 levers. Go over that, I'll be happy. Let's move that to the road a minute. Right, let's back 3. So we're on number 6 lever. And then come back, I think, oops, let's pop that up. I was going to make a dedicated tool for this, but like I say, it's only one lock I've got, so I'm going to just try this first. See if we can get this way. The fiddly like, I think the picking tool's too big. We'll carry on regardless. So that's another shot. I've got to pop that up again. I know one's a binder, so does 1. Number 3 binding. Just gonna head back on that one again. Now let's get them back ones. So we can get them back ones done. Very, very tricky like. I think I've done my picking way too big. Right, let's start again. And I'm going to start again. Make sure that's the tension on there. Try it this way and try it this way. So it's 1, one's binding, like that. It's not going to work that way, let's do it this way. Co-orders want to swap hands because it'll be a bit better. Right, let's start again. So 1, and 2, 3's binding. Right, and get them back ones. Number 6, 5 and 4 I think it is. See if I pick this up, I'll just knock this up to see if it'll work. Right, number 6 got a bit of a bind on it. Right, let's try this one again. That's number 1. That feels set. A bit movement in the board, come on. 1. Right, and it switches round. Right, check 1, 2. There we go, got it. I've got it, there we go. It's open. Get in. What about that? I can't believe that, like. Ross 600 done. See if I can get this out so I can get the bolt open again. That is crazy. There, it's open. Let's see if I can get the bolt there. The trapped. Get it there. Show it there. There we go. And I've unlocked it. There you go, the 600 pick. Let's have a look on the side. Can't believe that, like. Right. I've got a screwdriver with this. I wasn't really expecting to open it there. I just put the camera on to see if that would work. I've got the, is it the 102? I've got the 102. I've made a tool for that, but that's for another video. I'm not gonna try and pick that now, like. I just want to see what's inside this. I really can't believe that worked out, like. Right, where are you? There's your inside there, look. Let's stick the key in. How does this come apart, like? How are you supposed to get this apart? It doesn't come apart by the looks of it. Let's see if we unlock it. Take the key out. See if it comes apart. Nah, it doesn't come apart. But there's your internals there, you can see. I'll put the key in just to show it's all working. There, watch. So, as you can see, watch. Yeah. Right, that way, that's that way there. It is smooth as. That is proper smooth, that, like, I like the feel of that. But there you go, the Ross 600 picked. And that was actually a first time pick. I'm very surprised that it was that easy. I dare say if I picked it that way it would have been a bit more hard. Obviously that way, I picked that way because I just thought it'd be easy, and it was. But anyway, it was picked. So anyway, hope you liked. Thanks for watching. Bye.